how to change your default password or user password. At the top left corner, you click on the menu, then you go down to profile. That's a user profile. You click on user profile, which will bring you back to where you set the profile when you first logged in. Move down until you see new password. So you click on the new password, the system will generate a password for you, which of course will be difficult to put in your head. So you can erase this password and then type your own preferred password inside the system. So as you continue to type, it is going to give you the strength of the password. So with this, it is saying that the password is weak. But if that is actually what you want to do, you click on confirm use of weak password, or you can go ahead to add more characters that will change your password strength. So this time around, my password says that strong. So you would notice that the button for confirming use of weak password is gone. So I can then go ahead, move down, and then come and click on update profile. And then it will apply the settings and my password has been changed. So up here, you see profile updated. And then the next time you're going to log in, you would have to use the new password that has been changed.